I'm up they Glock tonight. We gon' start tonight. Help us getting hard tonight. You gon' need a bed tonight. I'm beating that cat tonight. You need a hat tonight. I'm pulling that head tonight. Yeah. She want a sweet tonight. That we look good tonight. I'm proud with that seed tonight. That nigga gon' feed tonight. It's a seed night. Get left. This bitch gon' get right. They tryna make.
Today we're gonna do a seafood boil. We're gonna do the mukbang. And today we went to Pier 88.
Pier 88. Woo woo. We are all the way in
Yes.
Chattanooga,
Tennessee. As you can clearly see, I'm up in the hotel from the background. But you know, we finna get ready and we finna start. You know, today, we got a good and big spicy mukbang. So let me put on my gloves.
I got mine on.
I'm dead. Look at this crawfish. Yeah. But I bet it tastes good. Oh, yeah.
So yes, here they go. So these things are huge. So you're supposed to bite the head off and suck the juice and
Do
they some creepy crawly.
Gee, Gee, she playing too much.
Oh, look, I ain't got time for the crawfish right now. Let me get to what I do know how to eat.
Y'all, look at this crawfish.
I'm gonna have a shrimp that I have to peel. I have to keep it real.
Look good, y'all.
Now, I ain't gonna tell y'all how much we even spent on all of this because it was almost $200. Okay. I got some lobster tails. Sorry, y'all, it's all dripping and greasy.
Y'all, look at
I
this
got
crab.
my potatoes, my corn. Look at her, king crab leg. This is so new to me, y'all. So, hold on.
Gee.
This is so good. This is so good. Okay. I'm about to try the potato and then an egg. They give eggs. I don't know why. Do not know why.
Disgusting. Disgusting.
Hi, my daughter's YouTubers. We are filming live out of Chattanooga, guys. Eating our first seafood boil. I know y'all laughing. I was laughing. Look, this is new to us. Whoa.
Y'all, she better cut it out.
Oh my God, this is so good.
For real. I wish we would have got some scissors.
I got my little, I know y'all can't see my beard. Hey. My son didn't want to be involved. He's sitting over there in the bed. My daughter had to get this special lighting and all this shit for this. How you gonna get the meat out of there? I opted out on the crab legs. Just not something I can do.
Yeah, y'all, she ain't ready.
But the shrimp and this lobster, oh, the sausage. Y'all, we got like 9 bags on this table. There's no way on earth we can eat all of this. Not right now.
But we will.
I got my shell off of my shrimp. Hey, Erica. Hi, everybody. I will wave at you guys. I'm going to just give y'all them. Whoa. My daughter with this. My mouth is burning. But the second one, look, my beard coming off.
Oh, my Lord. Y'all, my mama messed. So I'm finna try the shrimp
I'm going back to my corn because this corn is dipped in some garlic butter and this Pier 88 sauce. It is so good, y'all. Hi, YouTube. We forgot to get the microphone so y'all can hear us chewing. Erica said, hi, Molly.
Hey, love. Oh, y'all, I got some lobster. Look at that. Period.
I think she got 2. I got 2.
Y'all, this so hot. Stop playing, y'all. Look at this lobster.
One of many.
Y'all, we in this. We better stop playing.
What a sausage at? Look, I don't even know where to start, y'all. It's in here.
Y'all, look at that. I'm finna take a dip up in here.
This is the sausage. It's good. This big old greasy bag of sausage and corn. Oh my gosh.
And
This
potatoes.
is so good, y'all. And they sliced it thinly. Whoa. Hi, YouTube. Man, oh my God, y'all. It is so nice out here in Tennessee. Came here to visit my best friend. She's at work. So me and my daughter decided we're going to do the seafood mukbang. Whoa. They like
Y'all,
it.
this so hot.
And so far, everything is tasting well, except for it's spicy. Hey, Tanika. Say hi to Tanika, Molly.
Hey, love.
Got my little shrimp.
I know y'all hearing that nickname. That's what my mama called me on. Y'all gonna have to live with it. But this food is spicy.
It is.
I should have just got medium. I didn't think it was gonna be this hot.
I didn't either. It is hot, y'all. Like, make your nose want to run.
Make it. And mine's already is. Look at
Yeah,
all of that.
stuff.
Look, y'all, like my mama's still so clean. Look at me. I'm just messy.
Well, maybe because I can eat seafood well. I wasn't going to say anything wrong. Got another shrimp.
I just finished my lobster. Ooh,
I
girl,
need to
those
open
are
mine.
bug.
That's those.
Crawfish.
Okay, guys, I'm going to try this lobster that I got. Oh,
look
they
at
already
him.
split it open for you.
Look at this. Look at him, y'all. He gone.
Woo! This is my lobster, guys. Sorry for the drippings. I'm gonna, they gave us this Pier 88 sauce, dipping sauce.
Y'all, so my mama on live. She coming a little too deep.
Look at this. I know what y'all saying. Too greasy, too oily. But that's the whole point of this, I guess. It's supposed to be greasy and oily and all.
It's supposed to be dirty. Like you get that in this. That's what they say. We don't know about what people say. Our opinions don't. Y'all opinions don't matter.
Ooh, it's hot. Woo!
We still living our best life. We're not going back in
This is the other side of the lobster.
Blood keep coming on.
They just split it for you already, which is cool because I didn't have any utensils to do any of that.
It's not even hot.
So that's the lobster
Eat
tail.
the potatoes, 'cause I ain't
This
eating
is
that.
the other half. This season is hot. That one's even hotter. Woo!
She said, y'all done made me hungry, for real. I'm gonna pick. Girl, look at this potato. potato.
Hey, Jemiah! Tanika, you was here.
Y'all, you a big
We got
person.
enough food for 8 people.
Depends on how big them bellies is.
I can't do this gloves. Sorry, y'all. I gotta go back to my corn. Oh my gosh.
Y'all, look at this. Look at this shrimp. Look how beautiful this is in my belly. Why is it doing that?
This is cool. I like this.
I'm gonna drink some water. Oh, look at
Me
all
some.
of this. Y'all, look at this bag.
She got this huge bag. Look. My daughter got everything she can think of. So we didn't get the clams.
No,
We didn't get the mussels.
We just got crab.
She
and
got
we
the king
corn,
crab, the
potatoes.
corn, the sausage, the shrimp,
I haven't even tried my sausage yet.
and the lobster.
But y'all, these crawfish is so good.
And the
They're
potatoes.
So little. Look at my
He's
face.
just gonna bite into it.
Y'all, why she eating all her sides instead of her food?
Look, I'm trying to do everything equal. I gotta get to the crawfish. They're in too many bags over here. Can somebody please explain to me how do I eat this? I was told that you're supposed to bite the head off and suck the juice out of the
look, Mama,
brain.
I got his head. I got his body out. Oh, look.
Tanika, yeah, you're right. I should have been here these gloves off.
Look, I got it
But
out.
how? Okay, so
So look. This
I don't
all
know
I
how to
did.
do.
I just took it, broke it slightly. Some of this, it come off easily and some don't. And I guess you're going to have to bite through there. Yup. So can you put that and get, look.
you like it, no? So this is the body.
Yep. And you eat them up until they gone.
You suck it out.
Till you get
We'll
don't
save
even
that
do
for
it.
later. For the crawfish.
Yeah, stop playing.
Oh my god. This is so good, guys. I could do one of these once a week. The potatoes. Oh my gosh.
Gee.
Whew. Back to the sausage. My mouth is burning. It's time for something to eat. Got some more sausage. Gonna dip it. Knowing darn well I don't need this, but you gotta treat yourself right every once in a while.
I don't need all of this.
Woo. My mouth is really burning, y'all, so I'm not gonna bother y'all too much longer. My daughter and I are really trying to, again, y'all, we're working with a lot of, I can't even touch this phone. My hands are so greasy.
Got some napkins?
Oh yeah, they're somewhere on this table.
They hiding behind your gloves, Mama.
Woo! My mouth is on fire. Got my shrimp. Dip it in here.
Y'all, I can't do this no more. It's too hot.
Oh yeah, I gotta take a break. So thank y'all for tuning in to this. I've never done this before. This is my actual first seafood boil ever. I've never had one. Never been to a restaurant that had it or anything. But I told my daughter when we were taking this trip, we would try it in the South. Because I know they do stuff very spicy here in the South. So. Woo!
Let me stop playing. Yeah, I'm gonna take off these.
That's why I do my hair. I'll put on anything. Because when I get through with this, I'm getting in the shower. And it's time to continue with our adventure. We've been here for 3 days. And haven't been on Facebook and did nothing, so. My eyes are watering, y'all. Woo, my
Look at
corners
this.
of my
This new,
mouth
I'm gonna go try it.
are burning.
Wait,
Woo!
wait, wait,
Somebody give me a kiss.
Girl, please. You don't need no kiss.
Ooh, my. Woo! I need some ice water in my life. Bam! Got some. Woo wee. Sorry, y'all.
Y'all, this fire.
Water does not put out fire like people think, but.
Oh, Tabitha. Hey, I miss you too.
Hey, Tabitha.
Girl, y'all need to get. I'm gonna check y'all out on this one because it's good. Get on there.
No. That's the wrong one to get.
Mama, this is good.
Woo! Okay, this is my last shrimp. I mean, I got plenty more.
But she not gonna eat no more shrimp. That's what she needs. Y'all, I got way more than her. She over here complaining. I just want to get
She
y'all back
still
on
got-
this bag that I still have.
Look at all this. She still got, what, 4 king crab legs. Here's one. I don't eat crab. I'm not a crab fan. Sorry. I like lobster. I like shrimp.
Girl, that's a baby one. Let me get
This
you
is not nothing king about this.
this king.
This is a king crab leg.
And he evil.
I don't even eat this.
Let me back my crab. Hating on the fame. Y'all, I'm finna eat my crab. It's kind of pokey, but my mama didn't tell me that they was evil like this, so.
Stuff in between my teeth. The sausage is really good. Everything is really good.
It's just spicy.
Be my first time.
Y'all, she put that
But-
all up in my face.
I'm sorry. One more lobster tail here. 2 more over there. I'm going to save this for later. Eat the rest of my potato.
I might just go back to some lobster, y'all, because these is evil, and I don't got no scissors for these people. Ooh.
That's not bad at all. Not bad at all. Okay, I'm getting on my clothes. Oh, that's okay. I'm not wearing this today anymore. All right, y'all. I just wanted to give y'all a little synopsis of what was going on over here in Chattanooga. I'm gonna have to try one of those, whatchamacallits again, but let me get some more corn. Look at this corn, y'all. It's in garlic butter and, oh my God. Totally delicious.
My subscriber comes last.
See YouTube. Don't be laughing at her mama because y'all know I don't know what the hell going on. This is our first time. Hey Kiki,
Kiki,
you still in Vegas? Are you riding?
Cause you never ever leave beside me. And I want you.
And I want you.
And I need you.
And I need you.
I'm down for you always. Better know me. I feel it all around me.
Oh, my mouth burning, y'all.
Kiki, your name gonna last forever, sis. Kiki Monroe.
I'm gonna drink some more water.
Oh my God, my old babysitter up in there. Hey, Precious. Period. That's my forever friend.
Hello, everybody.
She took care of me even when I was bad. She's
Woo! Mouth is burning. So I'm gonna finish this corn. Precious, hey, Precious.
Precious, your kid's so cute. Especially your little baby boy. He's so adorable. I'm so in love. For real, he is so adorable. He looks
Coming
just
from
like
the
her.
used to be baby girl. Woo! And it's greasy. Look at this shit. I'm so glad I don't wear makeup.
For real. Cause you was looking.
Molly got so big and prettier. I feel so old. No, y'all ain't nowhere near old.
Girl, please, no, not at all.
Woo! All right, y'all. Thank y'all for tuning in.
She said he's bad. Y'all can have him.
Look at that.
Woo! We finna go, y'all.
Give you complimentary potatoes anyway. These potatoes look like some. Never mind. Then they gave us more corn. Woo! More potatoes. This is like 2 days worth of food.
That's what she meant at the front counter. You guys have a lot of food.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. What? No.
So me and my mother were supposed to sit here and talk, but you know, she was on her life, so. How you feel, Mama? How your food taste?
I love it. This is like the best experience ever. For this both to be our first time doing a seafood boil.
Seafood boil!
Seafood boil.
No, watch out. I didn't expect this to be so hot when I asked for hot, but they sure gave it to me. But y'all, look at this, not even finished. Like my mama said, complimentary.
Mm-hmm.
After this, y'all, we gonna go see the mountains. Me and my mama ready. We up in this thing. 30 cup. Gee, y'all, this a lot. I might post it on Instagram. Post it on my story.
Answer that, Molly. Oh, stick up. This was some bomb ass food.
Y'all, my chica, she's special. Very special.
Not mouth burning. It's not too much left for me to say.
Y'all, too much for me to eat. Saturday, y'all, I'm probably not gonna finish this till Wednesday or Thursday. Depends on how hungry I am, you know?
And this girl can eat.
Yeah, I can't eat, y'all. But we go, not yet, but after we finish eating, we gonna go see the mountains, y'all. I'm gonna do some other stuff. I've been here for 3 days. I've heard this. 3 days. Gee, mama, I'm so hot. And you know how other people make their videos look at them. They'll say, oh, I told my mom I lost my virginity, or I told my mom I did this or that. And I be like, I can do that. My
No.
mama throw this seafood at me.
I surely would. Only thing that's gonna be lost in this motherfucker is my mind, and I'm gonna knock her the hell out. Did you eat your lobster tail, Molly? You only had 1 or 2.
I don't think. Let me see if there's some more up in here.
I thought I ordered you 2 or me 2.
No, I took my lobster. He gone. He did. This all the stuff I'm dealing with. You could have put mama, cause I don't want you putting it back in your bag. Look at all this crawfish. They look so good. Like the Louisiana people that ate all of this today, y'all.
My mouth is burning.
Ow! Y'all, look at this. I'm gonna eat one more.
At a loss of words.
Okay, so y'all clearly can see we didn't finish all our food, but you know, that was a lot. So
Yes, it was a lot.
So
But it was good. It was worth it because we spent a lot of money on that food.
and y'all, hopefully my mom can do some future videos with me.
Yes, I enjoyed being on my daughter's YouTube channel for the day. And my bad son, since he wants to creep in here every few minutes. Sorry, y'all, I look a hot mess today. Today wasn't that type of day to go ahead and get pretty because we knew we were going to do the seafood mukbang. And I knew we were going to get greasy. That's why my lips and mouth still look greasy. I need to go wash my hands, take a shower, change some clothes so we can get out here and enjoy this beautiful Chattanooga, Tennessee weather.
Yeah, guys, because you know you're my favorite subscriber, and I love you all so much. And you see where I get the fast talking from because my beautiful mother and
My boo.
period. So,
Oh my God, I hate that word. There's my son again.
make sure y'all like.
Say hey.
Most of you get subscribers, don't you think?
Say what's up. Hi.
Say hi. So,
Whatever that means.
make sure y'all like and subscribe and